It is 4-Minute Friday, and today we're going to talk about better composition using leading lines. Do you guys think I can do it in 4 minutes? Leading lines are a great tool for having good composition in your photos, and they're probably one of the most powerful and one of my favorites. So what they do is they really grab your viewer's attention, they lead them into the photograph to a main point of focus. So what is a leading line? The world is full of leading lines. As soon as you start thinking about it, you're going to notice it all over the place. So think of railroad tracks, roads, rivers, foam on the beach, piers, stuff like that. Those are all going to be leading lines that lead your eye somewhere. So what is the key to using a leading line? Like, what makes it effective, right? And so really what you want is you want your leading line to lead into the image to a main point of focus. So where you stand makes all the difference. You need the lines to actually point at your subject. You don't want lines to be going, cutting straight through your image. You want the line to lead to your subject. I mean, that's the whole name, right? Leading lines. So what you need to do is you need to move your feet to where you position yourself to make it to where the line is leading to that subject. So basically what I'm trying to say is find your key subject and lead the lines to that subject. When you're working with lines, you want to make sure that you avoid straight lines, straight vertical lines, horizontal lines, something that's going to cut your image in half or in a third, because what that's going to do is it's actually going to cause our eye to leave the image rather than stay on the image and look at our main point of focus. So if you cut something, if you cut the image this way, our eye is going to follow that line off the image, and that's not what we want. So you want to make sure that you have your lines that are going to actually be focusing right or pointing right at your main point of focus in your image. So here's some examples. So go out and try to use leading lines for the rules of composition when you take your next photo, and see how you can get creative and what kind of awesome images come out of that. Let me know if you guys have used leading lines before, or what your guys' favorite rules of composition are. Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you want to see the full blog post, check out the description down below. Don't forget to like this video if you did. It helps me. Subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I will see you guys in my next video.